how did you choose your task?
Okay, so good. We decided a task in online meetings. As you can see there on the left side, there's another screenshot of when we had our online meetings. And so the teachers, we discussed and talked, taking into account our students' needs and interests. And from that, we selected and created the tasks.
And how did you choose the technologies employed?
Okay, so this was very easy. This doesn't depend on us. It depends more on the school. So we chose what we had in school. We just checked around, saw the reality, and adapted to our surroundings. So we took the computers and the things that we had. I mean, sometimes we wish we had more things, but we have to work with the technology and the things that we have in our schools.
Perfect. And how did you organize the time slots?
Okay, so this can be tricky, but for us, it was a little bit easier because as you all know, in primary schools, the same teacher teaches different subjects, and that helps with the timing. That means that maybe in a day, the teacher has more hours available. So that makes it easier to match an hour to do the online conference. For the other activities, that is easier because maybe one group can do an activity on Monday and the other group on Tuesday because they are not synchronous, they are not at the same time. But for the online the online at the same time, it can be sometimes a bit difficult.
Perfect. And finally, talking about choices made, how did you organize pupils into pairs or groups?
Okay, so this depends a lot on the level and the school, and maybe we can talk a little bit more about this in the discussion.